Yeah, we're playing Roblox, and bro, this is all going my my first time here, guys. I don't know. I'm always been man, actually. Yes, sir. Okay, bro, I'm sorry. Nah, bro. I have my avatar, bro. I have my avatar. My best friend, Koya, which is nothing. He's unscared. This one. This is my best friend, Koya, which in you guys, and he, wait, what the fuck? We just. Oh, wait, I just see that. I just. Bro, he just put the side part brown hair, bro. Look at this. It's not big, actually. It's in school. What time is it, bro? After 2, bro. Oh my god, bro. Bro, wait a minute. It's 2:27 o'clock. This time I'm going to play on another outer trash thing in it. Bro, what? Bro, what?
Legit, parang hindi na dito sa lagi nilalaro eh. Ano na?
I'm big, guys. Huh?
Bukas bibigyan mo sa school mo.
Mama, ano mo sinabi mo ba? Sinabi mo? Hindi. Ano sinabi mo? Sabi yung secret mo. Kasi sabi ko kasi hindi ko ano sabi. Then ang birthday ko sa bukas.
Hindi ayaw ni Zin na alam.
Opo, hindi alam siya na birthday ko na bukas.
Sabi niya.
Sabi ko, hindi man nasabi siya.
Sinabi mo nga.
Opo, hindi naman alam. Nasabi niya, hindi ko naman nasasabi niya.
Mo.
Joke lang yung mama, hindi. No jumping up before Here, bro. This one.
Hey bro. Binabro-bro mo ako? Mama mo ako?
Bro, nice. Bro, this